Surah Shams, chapter of the sun. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, by the sun and his morning brightness, by the moon when she follows him, by the day when it reveals his splendor, by the night when it veils him, by the heaven and what built it, by the earth and what spread it out, by a soul and what formed it, and implanted in it its wickedness and its piety prospered. Has he who purifies it failed? Has he who corrupts it? The mood counted it false in their presumption when their most miserable one was sent. And the messenger of Allah has said to them, the she-camel of Allah, and her to drink. But they counted it false and hamstrung her. So their Lord overwhelmed them for their sin and made it even, not fearing the consequence of it. And we find elsewhere that the people of Saleh were separated. So in that way, you find what was the case, just like in Surah 54. But success is not what we have in life, it's what we do with what we have in life.